It is indeed another exciting day for us, since this will be by far the largest water reservoir project of the National Irrigation Administration outside of Luzon, costing almost 20 billion pesos,